and blue, white, green and blue. The next one is white, blue and green, and then white, brown and brown. So that is it. So the first one is white, orange, orange, white, green and blue, white, blue and green, white, brown and brown. Okay, very simple. Now let's try. See, when you measure, it's little way off. So let's measure and cut some of the thing off. So we are cutting some off to get a smooth edge. So this is that. So we go for this, we put it here, we push it hard inside. Then we go for our crimping to start from here. Then we just hold this one tight. Very tight. Now that we have done, we have to test and see if this cable did really work. Okay, so now these are the cables. This one goes this way. Now this edge like this, follow this. Okay, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means that is a perfect termination.